picture with us?
Yeah. Well, we gotta get the girl, you know.
Oh, get her out of here.
All
right.
So you guys are from Ohio?
Yep.
Yep.
Uh-huh. Yeah. We're
Did you
just
take
here, we're here for a good time, not a long time.
How long you staying?
14 days.
That's a good
Yep.
long time.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Well, you guys take care.
Hey, you too. Yep, we will. Thank you.
Hi,
Hey girl, New Hampshire.
New Hampshire.
Yeah.
We sure do.
Yes, we do every
Which
year.
one's better?
We'll tell you at the end of the week. Here. Here.
We think so too.
Here's better, but next year's 100.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah.
Thanks. Come down and have a drink with you.
Hi, my name is Mackenzie, and I'm at the Sailor Jerry Bar at the Iron Horse.
Well, my name is Betty Zog. I'm the owner of the Jonesy Party Bus. This is our 20th year anniversary. We're so excited to be part of the Sturgis experience. And we run from 9 a.m. till 4 a.m. daily starting tomorrow. It's $10 a person every time you get on our bus. We have $2 beers, $3 Jello shots, and we run like a taxi. So you gotta call us at 605-390-5489, and we'll come pick you up. Oh, so for that $10 a person, we'll go to all the campgrounds around Sturgis. Like our furthest one out is Shade Valley Campground or Full Throttle. And then we'll go to exit 37, and that's about our distances. So if we want to go further, you can. You just have to call and schedule it, and it costs more, of course. But yeah.
Woo! Jonesy Bus #1! Woo!
His name is Tyrone.
Tyrone?
Yeah.
How long have you had it?
December will be a year. Yeah, December will be a year. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey you guys, welcome to the Knuckle. It's the biggest party in Sturgis, so come on down, get some food, some drinks, and party on like always. Glad to have you.
What's your name?
I'm Lauren.
How are you?
No, I'm actually working over here at Mattress Store and Fancy Massage and Chairs. Yeah, tomorrow it'll be all set up for us.
Sounds good.
All right. My, let's see, Insta's Rocking Confidence.
There you go.
All right.
Steve Venture here with Sound Art USA. Come and see us over at Big Al's Swap Shop on Main Street, right across from Stinger Saloon, next to Night Rider Jewelry. We've got some very cool products here. You take any picture you want and give it to us. Any picture you see here you want, send it in to us. We'll print it and we turn it into a Bluetooth speaker. It's cool. We take bikes, cars, planes, trains, whatever you want to put on it. Just take your song you want to play it, pair it, and play it. It's really that simple. Come on down and see us at Big Al Swap Shop.
Where?
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin. You having a good time here?
Just getting started.
Just getting started? Are you working anywhere?
Yep, I'm working over at Side Hack.
Sounds good. Let's go to this side. We can get you in the side. You look like. Oh, guys like to see the pretty girls. Here you go.
We're working tomorrow. Today we're like on break.
Oh, today's your vacation
Yep,
day.
today's
huh?
vacation
Where are
day.
you working at?
This street, walking up and down, we have stickers that I probably can't show you on camera because they're not
Okay.
censored.
All right. Well, thanks a lot.
Yep.
Minnesota. My name is Gio.
Annalise, nice to meet you. And how is this your first time to Sturgis?
Our third time.
Third time. Where are you staying?
We're staying in Black Hills.
Alrighty. And who do you watch on YouTube?
Bob's Adventure.
Alright.
Thank you.
Take care.
I'm Sean,
And where are you from?
Colorado.
Alrighty. And you love Sturgis?
Oh yeah.
What's your favorite part of Sturgis?
Getting painted.
Oh, alrighty.
Body painted. Right, Mark Reed.
Yep. And what day are you going to do that?
Tomorrow,
What time?
Sunday, Tuesday.
Alright. Just good to get your touch-ups, huh?
Yeah. Tomorrow at noon.
Okay.
It's at noon.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
Here, I'll get a picture too real quick. Oh, did we get you guys earlier? There you go. Oh, there's all of them. There you go. Cool. So you guys are from the bikini contest, right?